Hello, traders. Welcome to episode 227 of TA with me, Mitch Ray. Could be doing anything, but you're here hanging out with me and doing technical analysis. For that, I'm quite grateful. Sorry about the punctuality. Things happen. Today, as you know, if you've been watching, it's a big day. Got a lot of things coming up. Got a meeting in like an hour with my audio video guy, and then after that, I've got a meeting with my IT guy, and we'll be rebuilding my more supercomputer. It's going to be a supercomputer pretty much after tonight. So the night stream should be awesome. We should have better performance on me scaling in and out charts. See, you can notice the FPS drop right there. I'll do that. That will be hopefully remedied. All right, just saying hopefully. I don't know. I mean, you would think if you got a 1080 Ti GPU specifically meant for just charting, it would be faster, right, with double the RAM. So we'll see. So Bitcoin, though, more relevant note, Bitcoin still showing on that bullish divergence. We're double bottoming with, on the second bottom, we are maintaining positive momentum, which is better than any kind of divergence, okay? That's just really pretty much convergence at this point, okay? So holding 3,500, we tried breaking it 3 times yesterday. I think some was early in this morning. Like this morning we touched it a couple times, and potential double bottom for sure. Now people would argue with me and say that the bearish conditions supersede any kind of pattern development, any kind of oscillator. But man, we got a lot of coinciding variables that are bullish right now. But as you can see where we are, this downsloping channel that's been formed since the dumping that started. It really started on the 14th of November. We are right at that critical downsloping resistance, as you can see. Okay, so it will be interesting to see if we can get some volume to break us out and run us up to 39.72. That'd be awesome. Pretty much the neckline of this double bottom, which is the pinnacle of where you would know there's discernible double bottom. Like that pinnacle is the neckline 41.22 with the wick. We could break that. Measure move will be pretty nice. Measure move probably put us only near the 382. It's a very small double bottom, okay? So don't, get too freaked out, too excited about this. This is not some sort of daily double bottom or anything like that. No, this is just a 4-hour double bottom with all kinds of bullish divergence at critical areas of support. That's all it is, okay? And we have not really done anything yet, so it's still just potential. It's just a potential double bottom until it breaks that neckline of 41.22, okay? So we fail here enough times, just gonna eventually crack this 3,500 area and run on down to 3,000 probably. So, but we would just think, seeing this right here and this, we might retrace before making lower prices, okay? That's it. That's what our consensus has been past couple days. All right, sweet. So take a look at chat. Thank y'all for being here, all 160 y'all. Forgive me, my eyes, like, I don't know, man. I put my contacts in and like I'm just not taking my contacts very well. It's just kind of burns and itches, okay? It happens. You stream 7 days a week, you're gonna see me eventually not take well with my contacts one of those days, right? So the quarrels of the streamer, the consistent streamer. What's up, Stacking Stoner, Johnny Martinez, Love a Flutter, Yo, Dave Jones coming in, Mr. MPC, Jesse Thompson, Sarthok, Moonshine is Field. Oh, there's Jamie Ragsdale. Is that a joint with your voice, man? Right? Nick says my streams are perfect times for Aussies. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Well, are you kidding me, man? I feel so good. Dang, Rimlock, man. Dang, dude.
Miss you all. I'm here lurking. Rough month, working on myself. One love, less than 3 to our community, and Mitch the Lord Jesus, man. Love you, bro.
Dude, I love you too, man. Rimlog, and dude, thanks so much for the $50 freaking, man, out the gate. Very grateful. It means a lot, and hey, man, like I was saying to you, destroy your adversary you face daily. Destroy it, and just get better, right? That's all you can do. So we're here for you. Through the good and bad, man. We're always going to be here for you, okay, dude? So just thank you so much for checking in, saying hi, and we love you, Mr. Goonie Man, the Oregon State Beaver. Kangs. Are y'all bull bound this year? If you are, let me know. God, amazing, dude. Thank you so much, Rimlock. What's up, Flanders Supermarket, man? Third Eye Trader. Logo Dinosaur, man. Hello. Where are the dinosaur jokes, dude? Mr. Magoo. Gustavo. JF Airplane. What's up, kid 3064? Doing TA, man. That's it. Dustin Witt. Ryler. Zachary. What's up, Bradford, man? Check out the potential double bottom. It's potential. Let's see if we can do it. Hey, Coin Hustle. Ogs D. Look down, so you want some XLM, dude? Sure, man. Put XLM on the list. Done. Hey, Robin, man. Yep, Dustin also wants XLM. Sure. What? I don't know why y'all are so excited about XLM. I mean, we're looking at it. It's just kind of doing similar stuff to Bitcoin and other alts. They're all kind of following each other. Hey, what's up, James Farina, dude? Doing well over here. Hope you are all having a wonderful Tuesday. Hello, Dr. Sauce. Cod for Crypto. Drinking Irwin coffee. Drinking that mocha. Maca, yeah. M-O-K-K-A. The Maca S. You might start packaging Macas, the Maca with Pepe on it, okay? Who's Monka S. All right. Hey, Kevin M. KLC4. Good to see you. Arked. How you doing, man? Put some ADA. Put some ADA for you, Arked, man. You thought SV was mooning? Well, I think literally the last time we looked at Bitcoin Cash, we said we made a lower high and lower prices would make the most sense right here. After such a nice run, when you had your attempted rally, you had the lower high. That's it. The lower high, man. After reaching the 618 retrace. After a huge impulse down. Lower high. So we'll check it out. Check it out for sure. What's up, Alexander C? You went to the barber, now you look like me, Alexander, man. I don't know if that's insult or compliment, okay? Beard game is strong. Excellent, Alexander, man. That's all that matters, really, right? Hey, Moz, what's up, dude? Hey, Claudio Dunn. It's really Claudio, I think, right? You were getting bored? I'm sorry I was late, man. Sorry, I got a lot. This is a bad day for me. It's a really bad day. It's probably one of the worst days in terms of time constraints I've had in a while. The double charms, man.
Wishing hope you rise above the poop that life can't. Wishing hope you rise chart on own that life 1,000 more scrubby coins thanks you aside 1,000 more scrubby coins 888 888 888.
Sorry, I'm trying to break it back. I guess I'm just going to start doing this until it fixes itself again. I don't know, man. I've got a serious issue with that. At some point, I'm going to have to just start over. I can't deal with this anymore. I can't deal with having to ghetto unbreak it. Dude, thanks, John Lara. Hey, John Lara, man. Made my Thanksgiving contribution today. I was late, but I wanted to make sure I was getting I had the right foundation I wanted to contribute to. All right. But let me read it back because you couldn't even hear that. Rimlog, wishing you well. I hope you rise above the poop that life brings. Big Kang's doing things. Love you all. Please do the chart on KGKG. All right. He owns a few thousand shares. No more scrubby coins. Thank you. Mr. Sabine left you a sideline pass. Call the Lord 888 888 888. Give him a call, everyone. Thanks so much. John Lorman. Jesus, man. Dude, yeah. So anyway, thanks to 333, and I chose the Fisher Foundation. Fisher Foundation specifies in housing homeless veterans and also feeding homeless veterans. So it was like, by the choice, it was like people that serve this country as well as who are down on their luck. It's like two birds with one stone type thing, right? So, hey, David Wolf, man, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. Much love. So I figured, John Laura, why not choose that organization, right? So just wanted you to know, okay? So about Mag Carl, g'day. It's bucketing here. Bucketing. What do you mean bucketing? Is this bucketing? I guess it's a bucket. It's a weird bucket, right? Please clap, Gustavo, man. Hey, Crypto Kiwi, coming in from New Zealand. The arrival of the Strayans in here. Is Bitcoin going to heal or bleed out? Well, the bearish conditions suck. Never good for looking for bullish moves to the upside, but we have so many reasons to believe we could and would be going to the upside right now. So, like, if one's not going long here because they don't want to counter trade, or they don't want to trade the counter trend, right? Counter trade the trend. There we go. Going short is a high risk area. Even if we break down here, it's still high risk. Despite anything, you're just getting lucky at that point because you're not going by anything that has anything to do with technical analysis if you're going short here. Okay, they just say. God, my eyes are killing me right now. What's up, Lewis Marriott, Walt Moore? Hey Dom, hi ASL. Anytime someone says hi to me, I'm just gonna say ASL, age, sex, location. Okay. Hi is for like AOL people that are just meeting other people. Okay. I know you do. It's all good. Rimlog C4C, man. Oh wait, my Lumia's not on. Let me change that. All right, Lumia's on now. It's all good. Sweet. Feel free to change my lights on Twitch if you want to. Sorry about that. Hey, Dakota Diesel. John D says, stream with glasses, dude. No, dude, my glasses look stupid. I think I've had my glasses since like 7th grade, man. Looks so dumb. I got new ones. I just have to change up the lens. Gotta get crafted. Get LASIK, Jurgen, man. Best thing you ever did for yourself. Been happy for 15 years. Yeah, man. Seems like something that might be in the cards for later. I know it's just expensive, right? Okay, beavers. The Oregon State Beavers are not bull bound. Okay. Well, hey, you can sit on the couch with Florida State Seminoles. It's going to be their first time on the couch with you in 36 years. Yeah, Florida State shattering a 36-year-long bowl appearance, right? Consecutive bowl appearances. History, man. Gotta love it. So at least you can laugh at the Seminoles. Okay. Beavers capitulating like Bitcoin. No, that's Florida State, man. The Beavers are bull bound for a bomb. There you go, man. Digibyte up 17% gain, up quite good. JF Airplane. Well, we were showing on a lot of these those little falling wedges, right, on the daily time scale for a DGB, I believe. What's up, Maru Bazoo? Good to see it. AW Alexander, man, thank you for the kind words and all the support, dude. Really appreciate that. Litecoin's doing okay. Everything's kind of doing okay at this point after stupid losses. I mean, if I'm looking at Ethereum right now, it looks almost identical to Bitcoin's price action. Double bottoming stuff, bullish divergence, holding on to positive momentum. I mean, it's almost the exact same analysis. Hey, Heavy Autumn Wolf says, love the layout and the music. Thank you, Heavy Autumn Wolf. I appreciate that. Thanks for being part of the community, man. Dakota says he opened a long down at the bottom of the channel. We'll double down on the conversation. Oh my god, it's not working, dude.
Time zones make catching the stream hard. Time zones see your face. When you glance over stocks, give Disney a glance. Is that a breakout from a bullish pennant on the monthly?
Time zones makes you card at the stream. We're glad to see your face. Thank you, Mara Bazoo, man. When you glance over stocks, you look at Disney. Yeah, Disney. Disney, yeah, man. Absolutely. Is that a breakout of a bullish pennant? The monthly. Wow. Okay, just writing down, taking note of that, so when I go to it, the Kanks, all right? Dude, thanks so much, Maru, man. Always happy to see you in here from me, all right? New much likes. Woody Lawn Care, welcome, man. Do you have a good lawn care service, man? Let us know. It's true, Walt, man. If you're a young dude in your 20s, you lose money, hey, you can make it up, but 57 crew can't. Yeah, man, that's it's rough, dude. It is. And that's just why starting early, taking risks early in your life, if you are young in here, is very important, okay? Because literally, I mean, to an extent, no risk, no reward, okay? I know, triggered Zachary on the Double Jesus channels, man. It sucks. Cloudy O. Oh, Cloudy O. Okay. I was going to say Claudio. It's Claudio. All right. I'm going to write that down. I do pretty well when I write things down 1 or 2 times. Y'all remember it? Dakota Diesel, man. Saw you yesterday. I'm glad that you subbed now to Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. Nick Schneider. Thanks for the sub on YouTube, man. The Jesus, man. Welcome, y'all. Welcome. Jiggle the handle. Yeah, it works on your toilet. That Coffee Crypto, that's what we're having to do. Up. But Bitcoin's breaking. Breaking the down-sloping resistance at this moment. We got it does that. The beeps happen like that because I have 5 different TradingView windows open, and so it will literally beep per window that's open. So if you have 1 alert, you get 6 beeps. Whatever, man, I guess, right? Good God, man. There's so much chat, dude. It's like, there's so much chat. I'm just trying to manage it all, right? Where's a good position to add to your long on Bitcoin? Well, look, man, a long position, that's an abstract word, right? Long position. Is it a short-term long? Is it a actual mid-term long, long-term long? I mean, are you trading a trend? Because you shouldn't have a long-term long here. We talked about 5,800 being the area where you should be, one would be wanting to get out and not be in Bitcoin in a long position at that area if we broke that. Because as you can see, we're at 3,800 now and very fast, just like we warned you about for 2 months. Okay. The repercussions of breaking that support would be devastating, and it has been. I mean, it's just like, thank God it's worked out and played out exactly how we said. Now, we didn't say we were literally going to break out bearishly, but we told you the scenario of what would happen if we did. Okay, it wasn't a joke. It was a big deal. All right, very little support below us, a lot of resistance above us. Okay, so adding to your long position. Okay, the areas to do it are 35.75 if one's to take a small risk position on this double bottom. But again, you are counter trend trading, right? You're trading against the trend, which is bearish, which your oscillators, your indicators, your patterns, everything is less reliable in bearish markets when you're looking at bullish stuff, bullish indicators, bullish patterns, bullish oscillators, right? So the thing to do here is, if you have that philosophy where you don't want to go long on Bitcoin because the market is so bearish, sidelines is the best place to be right now, because going short here is very high risk. And though if we did break to the downside, you're lucky. You're lucky because you're literally doing the exact opposite of what one should be doing. You would have to give me a technical analysis reason for going short literally right here. Okay, see what I'm saying? There's nothing on any indicator, oscillator, pattern that is telling you a short position is a smart idea, except you just being like, I just feel that we're just going to literally inverse everything we know about technical analysis and go short here. That's it, man. All right. So if one's not long, the second best, or maybe the best situation, is staying on the sidelines here on Bitcoin. Okay, bearish market. What's up, Devin Daringer? What's up, Light Yagami? Gosh dang, man, that's 6 minutes ago. I don't even know, man. Dude, I'm working on it, man. I know people have high demand for knowing these songs. Maybe we should just start a Spotify account, like, literally on stream right now. Okay, would y'all like that? Yar. What's up, Virgus Games, man? Welcome back, man. Virgus Games. Okay, you got a wrench, man. Just making sure you have one. You contribute a lot of good information to this live chat. People are rewarded for that. You gain a wrench when you contribute to this live stream, and I'm not talking about money at all. I'm talking literally about the quality of the live chat. Okay, we have one of the best live chats with contributions of information and education in our live chat. Okay. LSU scrubbed out. Man, whatever. Someone had to lose. Dude, those two teams were like so evenly matched. That 7-time overtime. And it was fun. I was watching it live with y'all too. That was a fun part. Absolutely, John Lower. Of course, man. Paying it forward. Exactly. Thanks, James, man. Great service in Maryland. Woody Lawn Care. Chug it up, man. Check it out if you're in Maryland. You need some woody lawn cares. What's up, Cart Kang? King of the carts. Are you Bubbles, man? Are you from Nova Scotia? Is Bitcoin looking good right now? Well, it's not looking bad. Okay, and that's the whole point I'm trying to make here. Right? It's not looking bad for a... It's looking terrible for a short. It's just looking like a high-risk area for someone who wants to go short. That's all I can tell you. We are pamping, MaxX. I wish we would. I wish we could. Well, we got an hour and 11 minutes till the daily close. So, got that meeting at 5:30 my time, so 6:30 Eastern. All right. Driving, Jerry. That's okay, man. Thanks for tuning in on TA with Mitch Ray Radio, WRAY. Sweet, man. Turn off on 5 windows. I can't do that, man. James Allen, that'd be, it's annoying because when you save, you have to save on one. You can't auto save ever. You save on one, and then when you turn your PC back on, everything pops up and they're all the save, that save chart. You have to restart everything over again every time. There you go, John Lara, man. You thought the beat was your smoke detector, Mike Measy? It might have been, dude. Don't mess around, dude. Okay. Hey, Nick Schneider, man, really do appreciate the kind words, man. I don't know about that. All I know is I just want people to be protected against shillers. I want people to be protected against making decisions that don't have rationality to them, that have no argument, just their feelings. We're trying to break that. We've been trying to break that for 10 months. I think we've done a pretty good job. But that's all I know I am, right? Just here trying to be a positive influence in people's lives. So, dude. David Wolf, you on some bad ZRX and Bitcoin? Man, ZRX, a haircut, right? Someone's talking about a haircut. Dude, ZRX got a huge one. What is it from its $1 high? Remember that? It's at like, what, 32 cents or something stupid right now? All the BAT and ZRX... Whatever the next one is, I think, what is the next one that's going to be put up? Zcash. Dude, they all had, and Bitcoin Cash, if you remember way back, they all had these tremendous runs up to the listing on Coinbase. And once it happened, man, they all got obliterated. I'm talking like destroyed. Bitcoin Cash at one time was trading on Coinbase for over $8,000. I'm not kidding. Does anyone remember that? Like it's some sort of joke? It's real, dude. That was the beginning of the end for the entire crypto market, like for the bull run, right? Thanks, Dirt Out Trader, man. Coming from Alaska. How dangerous is Tether to the market? I don't know, man. It's kind of acts the same as forks, right? I mean, they're just creating money out of thin air, and they're just as dangerous to the market as fiat, right? I mean, it's just fake money. But hey, they're saying it's backed. We're taking their word that they're saying it's backed by the US dollar. And now you have the US dollar coin. What do you make of that? You have now the US dollar Tether and US dollar coin on the market. That's really weird, man. Peculiar. Does anyone it's kind of hard to wrap your mind around it. And normally when that's the case, it's not good. Okay. Well, give it time, David Wolf, man. Just, subbing to cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin's on Reddit is kind of it's a meme generator, but going to cryptocurrency, you get to find out there's a lot of information, a lot of people that are really aware and help you understand the scams and stuff, right? So Reddit, cryptocurrency, subreddit. If you're just starting to get your brain fully wrapped around blockchain. Oh my God, dude, I'm just trying to catch up, all right? I mean, this is good. I mean, we're having back and forths here. We all are asking questions. We're still having good conversation. It's not like, I'm just shooting the S. I mean, we are shooting the S, but it seems like I think there's good conversation here that we're having. All right. Oh, Jeff Grau, man, what's going on, dude? What's happening, man? Just get Jeremy to perform live on each stream. Music problem solved. Yeah, well, we got something in the works we're thinking about doing. Okay, for mid to late December. Okay. All right, Rumlog, man. Love you too, man. Thanks again, dude. Much freaking love. Yeah, Devil Joiner, man. Thanks for the 1XRP, man. To Jesus, man. Chris once said, any reason for the bump on DGB? Might have been technical, right? That's right. Erwin Coffee, Third Eye Trader. Exactly, man. Good God, man. There's so much chat today. Thanks for the 282 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. We're just trying to see Bitcoin. It's doing all it can. It's trying on low volume to break this down-sloping resistance. It's trying, man. And really, we've got an hour and 6 minutes left till the daily closes, until the 4-hour candle closes. All right, where we've seen triple RSI bullish divergence with a double bottom, and really the double bottom is we're showing higher levels of relative strength on that identical bottom, right? Which is good. On your double bottom, you're showing positive momentum on that second bottom, which is good. When you had negative momentum and now you're showing positive momentum, that's good. That's a good thing. Bcash is an S show. Is it, man? Maybe so. It is. It is, man. What is the US dollar coin? It's just another thing that is imitating. It's like imitation crab meat, you know? It's kind of like that. Vincent, man. US dollar coin and also US dollar imitation crab meat. It's trying to be fiat. It's acting as fiat. Another stable coin pegged to the US dollar, exactly. The US dollar coin has been audited. Matrix interesting, man. Events in this, it seems to be the case, yes. What's up, shooting some good quality S, Arthur Beeswax? Is that what it is, man? I guess, dude, I guess. CCCP Probe says, if you want the most stable coin ever, use CCCP coin. Guarantee it, trust us. Or use OCN. Number one America favorite. Thanks so much for making the comrade trip, man. Do I think bulls have a chance right now? I mean, like a chance to retrace maybe 23% of the way, maybe 38% of the way, maybe make a measure move of this small, very small pattern. Yeah, they got a chance, dude. Okay. Got a chance. Yeah, you're breaking that down-sloping resistance, Jordan G, of the falling wedge. Yeah, man. Just like Raven. There you go. Exactly, man. That falling wedge, man. Falling wedge with bullish divergence was nice, man. Very nice. You had coinciding variables. Always good, man. Do I think that the banks have cut off all money flows to Bitcoin to crash the market? Do I think no volume now? No, I think it's the people that sold for profits have left, and the sentiment has gotten worse and worse. So retail investors, other people are getting out too, and just think that we're going through that ice age, that altcoin ice age, Bitcoin ice age. It's a bear trend. You would expect something like this after going from 5,000 to almost 20,000 in a matter of a month and a half, whatever. I mean, extreme euphoria. Okay, we've seen it before, and historically we've had very nice long corrections, or markets that bearish markets and into no trends, into breaking out of those no trends, and then going into a bull run again, right? So. Ron McGetherin says on the hourly chart we've had relatively massive, massive bear volume at the bottom. Following bottoms, we've had quite little bullish behavior, I guess you're saying. Hey, Fenton112, thanks for the sub on YouTube, man. Jeez, man. Welcome to it. You let a new love for fiat after this market max, man. Well, dude, I think you might have just gotten in at the wrong time. You feel that way, right? Thanks, God for Crypto, man. Okay, so let's what happened, Arnolfo, but to a fib on the smaller degree pattern? Are you talking about a minor swing high to swing low, right? So you're talking about from this high to this low. We're at the 50% retrace, the common retrace, impulse down. You can retrace 50% of the way. Here we are, not broken above that. 38.83 or 618. Hey, Milan. Bronberg, thanks for the sub on YouTube, Jisman. Or Woman. Milan. Anyway, so or child, or human being, or alien. Yeah, 50% retrace, Arnolfo for your minor swing low to swing high. So not doing anything special there. Okay, it's okay. But the double bottom is nice. For now. For now. Kiki says banks can't cut out crypto. They would have to stop the internet. Yep, exactly. Oh, fireworks? Are you kidding me, Zashry, man? Wow. Fantastic, man. Hey, Kathleen Rosano. Thanks for the sub on YouTube with Jesus Lady. Thanks so much. Hey, and weird enough, sorry. It's your logo on the 8s. That escalated quickly. Alright. What's up, Rip Rap Roo? To the moon. Well, we got the fireworks up now. Thanks so much, y'all, for the 101 likes. Can't even believe it. Y'all get those 100 likes faster and faster. Very grateful. Alright. Dutch time. Oh, Dutch name. Milan. Almost right. Wait, Milan. How do you say it? How do you say your last name if it's not Bronberg? Broniberg? Ahoy, Kathleen. Ahoy. Are you a pirate, Kathleen? Okay, or are you just are you maritime? You're in the waters, man. Woman. Okay, so Bitcoin. We look at the double bottom. Look on the 8s. Let's see if we can break it. We'll set up another alert or something just in case. We're looking at something else. We'll know. Really not a big deal. Let's go to Ethereum now so you can see how similar this price action is. I mean, it's almost identical. Here's Ethereum, man. Ethereum, the double bottom, the bullish divergence, triple RSI bullish divergence. You were getting daily RSI bullish divergence, triple MACD bullish divergence. Man, it's like crazy. You were sitting at $100 area, right? So that downsloping channel, since we started dumping, point 1 and 2 and then 3 on the top side. You can see we're attempting to break it a little bit better than Bitcoin. A little bit better for now. 110.75 with our lowest low of this move down, 98.44. Okay, so doing the same thing. Talking about targets, we already have our major swing high. The head of that slanted head and shoulders pattern that made us kings. All right, swing high to swing low to 98.44. Common retrace zone is between 146 and 175, right? That's it. I mean, that's your common retrace. But if we're in extremely bearish conditions, we may never hit the 382. We might hit the 236 and then dump, okay? And if we don't even hit the 236, that's how we know that, okay, this was definitely not even a swing low. Okay, it seems hard to believe it might not be a swing low with such a nice little double bottom like that. But hey, you never know, man. Let's run it up to 128.21, see if we can hit that. You might struggle and you might fail, especially with low volume. You might fail to break above 121, which is that 50 MA, which you see in bear markets. With your 20 MA and 50 MA, you will stay below that 20 MA. You will test it and fail. It failed and failed. Now we're trying to breach it, and what will happen is you'll get within the equilibrium zone of your MAs, your 20 or 50, and normally those bear markets, you will hit that 50 and then break down. Okay, so you do have adversity. If you have low volume, scrub volume, and extremely bearish conditions, it's going to be very difficult to break the 50 MA and also the 236. Okay, you got to see some serious moves on Bitcoin for Ethereum to be kings. Okay, that's it. God, my eyes are killing me, dude. It'll be better though for the night stream and stuff. So, oh yeah, John Lara, man. Yeah, sorry, we haven't even gotten out of the local on the 8 stuff, John, man. I'll definitely get it. Okay, we're gonna look at XRP, and I don't even know why I'm looking at Ethereum again when I should be looking at XRP. There you go. That's Ethereum. Let's see if we can hit 121, 128. If we can break those, easy move to 146. Okay, and then that's where we might start getting a little weirded out. Hey, man, we know how bearish this market is. We could very well break down. Okay, just looking for the common retrace, looking for the major swing low to retrace, and then we dump again, most likely. All right. Okay, remember, on Bitcoin, in like a 2-week period, we lost $3,000. We almost got cut in half on our value for Bitcoin, as well as many other alts in a 2-week period. That is very fast selling. You are due for some sort of retrace, whether it's now or in the future. So, XRP doing similar things in the short term. In the short term, right? see XRP holding above this 35-cent support that stems back to August. Oh my God, man. Right big here. Right, we fell below it, but sprung right back above it. August 28th, September 2nd, August 21st, and August 9th. Okay, that's what we're holding. We rejected lower prices enough, and now we're pumping, and we're breaking above that 20 MA. Man, a retrace here, swing high to swing low. You can see you're struggling in the 236. That sucks, man. Okay, you got to break that, and you're gonna have to break 38 cents, which is another resistance. Another resistance. Look left, back from October 12th. Remember that huge move down, 618 retrace from the low to high. All right, so that will be a resistance as well as this 236 we're currently hitting. If you break that, easy move up to 40 cents, and your common retrace zone is going to be between the 382 and the 618, between 40 cents and 45 cents. That's it, man. You fell out of the bull trend. It sucks, man. The upsloping channel was so nice. But you're still making, for now, higher lows than your previous lows. Okay, that's it. That's it, man. All right. KG, man. Kona Gold Solutions. All right, OTC. Hey, we looked at it, man. We looked at it. Seems like we just kept shooting up, man. Wow. Okay. Huh. I'd be careful here. I'd be very, very careful. Just because, dude, you just look at it immediately. You say, all right, man, it looks like a wedge. Looks like a wedge, man. A nasty, nasty wedge breaking out of a channel with stupid levels of bearish divergence. Oh my God. On the 4 hour. Be prepared for a nice move down, okay? You got that doji in your, looks like you're reversing. Okay. It's asking to get wrecked, okay? Measure move's not going to be that bad, but expect lower prices very, very soon, maybe even tomorrow. The 4 hour time scale too, so. Look, we hit that 2168, or 2618, excuse me. All right, from the swing low to swing high, that's the only way we could do it, man. That's the only way we could get targets here in the situation. So that's what we did. And the rising wedge, measure move. It's going to put you at, what the, sorry. It's clicked. Jeez. Should expect a target right here. You know what? We're just going to do the price range thing. Okay. There you go, man. There's your measure move of the rising wedge. Okay, okay. That's it, man. Easy. Expect a short-term move to the downside. Okay. Simple as that. Upsloping price contraction after a nice impulse. That is a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, your falling wedge. Okay, man. Okay. See ya at 8.66 cents, man. See you down there. All right. John, let me know if that helps, man. That's it. Very coinciding variables. 3 different ones. Coinciding variables. Also, really 4, because you got volume here. You got a high on price. You got higher highs on price. Lower levels of volume. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coinciding variables, giving us indication. Believe this move down will be nice. This will be good. High chance. What's up, Alan Scora, man? Thanks for the sub on YouTube, dude. Thanks, dude. Someone better. What's up, man? How you doing, dude? Dang, dude, I missed some chat. Holy crap. What's up, Charlie Molden? He says ontology is so cheap. The whole freaking market is cheap, but what do you consider cheap, man? Okay, because it's impossible to put value evaluation on these cryptos. Okay. What's up, J-Rock, man? Era. What's going on with this crazy market? Sell-off. We broke that 5,800 level, as discussed, for 2 months, and we knew where we were going. We knew how fast and bad the move would be. Okay. Yeah, it could take time, Christian, for Bitcoin to go lower. If it goes lower, yeah, it will most certainly we're almost certain it will go lower than where we are now in time. What's up, Myron Gaines, dude? I'm Spin B. You've been dabbling in shorting this past month? That's great, man. Thanks, Charlie Molden. I'm glad you like the music, man. I'm working on a new amenity of this channel, having a playlist. So anytime you hear this music, you'll see the artist name, you'll see the song name. So because Shazamming doesn't really work with this music because it's just not good. I don't know why. The algorithms can't really understand it. I think a lot of this music's newer too, and so it confuses and it gives you a false song name, a false artist, false everything, and you're like, what is this? You know. So I took heed of that, and I'm working. It's just my next added level of value of this live stream for you. Okay. It's been a methodical journey. Okay, methodical journey. Just giving more and more amenities. Okay. Something about Brad Pitt and Lady Gaga. I don't even know, man. What's going on? Sweet Mara Bazoo on the Dow Jones Industrial on the 4-hour chart during the close of the day. Come on, England, yeah, man. Come on, England. We're in the Nintendo stage. Yeah, maybe even the Atari stage. Okay. Use my 1070i with my 1080. Yo, I definitely will, Danny. So my 1070i is just going to be literally working for the actual OBS. That's it. It will only be devoted to that. And then my 1080 Ti will handle everything else, right? KGKG is Kona Gold Solutions. You'd think it sounds like a great coffee company, right, name, but it's not, I don't think. Okay. So Chris Farrell, Cody DeGrave, sup to you, man. You can't leave my music, can't leave my video because the music's too unreal. Well, why would I want to tell you? My source. Okay, Kappa. All right. Anyway. So I'm just trying to catch up. Like, if I don't keep chat balanced, man, I miss out on too much chat, and then it's like, I feel like I'm neglecting chat at that point. Okay, so. Yeah, Jeff, right, man? Okay. Viewbot, by the way. Misty Port, what you talking about, dude? You okay, man? That was last night. That was yesterday. That was at yesterday's stream when I was leaving. Okay. We look at Roku? Yeah, man. Remember how we, how did that fare, man? Okay. Well, here you go, man. XLM, dude. Okay, man. So here's the crappy thing about XLM. Okay, it broke that horizontal line support so bad, man. We were just kind of like range bound. You clearly see this Wyckoff stuff with the low risk areas, the high risk areas. Okay, dumped below it. Really sucks, man. But look what's been happening when we've been selling off. We're getting that down-sloping price contraction. We're getting the volume. Look at the volume, man. Low, lower low, lowest low, lowest low. No, lower low, lowest low right here, right? Lower levels of volume, bullish divergence, and now on the tail end we're getting RSI bullish divergence on XLM US dollar. Okay. So let's refib here. Simple enough. Just from the swing high to swing low here. If this was to move up, we could expect a target of 19.77 cents, the 50% retrace. Don't know if we'll get there. We got a lot of overhead resistance now, don't we? Got a lot of resistance now. This is not going to be easy to breach, especially with low volume. you better hope for Bitcoin to be kings. You better hope for that, okay? So I know we're breaking this downside resistance here, but look, man, the 20 MA is right there on low volume. It is very tough to break that 20 MA. You fail all the freaking time. If this is a false profit, then yeah, we're gonna fail. We're not gonna break this 20. All right. If it's really, really scrub, we won't even make 236. Okay, we could just break down again. But look, you're showing the same crap, same stuff. Bitcoin's doing, Ethereum's doing, right? They're showing that double bottom stuff with the bullish divergence, okay, with positive momentum on that second bottom, which is good, right? They're all showing the same thing, so whatever, dude. Okay, that's your XLM, whoever's asking about it. Thanks for the 300 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. Really appreciate y'all. If you are enjoying this live stream, this coverage of crypto markets, even OTCs, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. If you want to see this channel grow, you want to see this influence, the influence of the stream, reach further into the crypto sphere. All right, really appreciate that, y'all. And if you want to keep the conversation going when this video becomes inevitably static, head on over to our Discord. We're growing every day. It's a good way you keep in contact with people from this live stream as well as me. Okay, head on over to our Discord. The link is in the description below, and I know we constantly are posting that link in the chat. All right. Voice volume seems a little low. Really? The heck, man? I had this problem yesterday. Hold on. Just what the heck, man? I'm just turning it up, man, even more now. It should be even louder now, okay? I guess, right? I try not to keep it at 100, but it's at 97 now. It was at 91 yesterday, 94, and now 97, okay? So yeah, man, just the way, if someone was like to play this, which it's not you're trading a market that is not good, right? Bearish market. I mean, it's just looking like that. That's the long setup if one was to do it, okay? It's looking like that. It's just how it goes. Like 6.71 to 1. Reward to risk. Thanks, Cody DeGroff, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Am I a Bitcoin maximalist, Brandon Green? Favorable coins I think will last. I think there are coins that have they're much further along in their development than others. Yes, absolutely. But to say I'm a Bitcoin maximalist, I mean, what's everything tied to really, for the most part, you know? And Bitcoin's purpose is different than Ripple's. Ripple's purpose is different than Binance's. Binance's purpose is different than XMR's, Monero's, right? They're all different, right? So VeChain different than Binance, than Bitcoin, right? So I'm a Doge maximalist. Yeah, dude, all in, dude. We'll just for that one, definitely throwing a cap out there just so people don't know. They know I'm not a Doge maximalist. Okay. What's up, Jeff W, man? We got like 4 Jeffs here now, right, man? Is this London grammar, Lewis meant? Yeah, totally. I don't know. We need a Doge tip bot seat. Yeah, I don't think we have enough room, man. Sorry. Especially if I'm working on that music stuff, the music bot thing. Oh my God. Yeah, we can go to Raven, man, if you want. If you want. Remember, coinciding variables, but market's bearish, right? We broke critical support. We're going to see, though, if we can hit those targets, you know, at least the 382. 382, between 382 and 618, right, is where we would want to see XLM go. But I'll tell you, it's tied to the US dollar, so it's very, very important that Bitcoin performs well here. But Bitcoin just hitting that 20 MA and failing to break it on low volume. 42 minutes left on the daily and the 4-hour. Here's Raven. Here's Raven, man. There you go, dude. Falling wedge pattern. We're being kings right now. We're starting to get overbought. 73. Really, the positive momentum's holding pretty strong, pretty steady, and you can see we're only at the 236 right now. So, still got a decent way to go, man. You're talking about fibbing from the top of this wedge to the bottom, and you could have conservative fibs. Some people would fib here at 814 if they were worried about this market. Okay, so it's continuing to run, have not hit target, and I haven't gotten close really as a swing trade. That's it, man. Raven coin, falling wedge, beautiful. It's a Patreon trade setup. We had the falling wedge, pretty close to areas of. Really, we almost hit that October 12th wick, right, as a support. We didn't quite get there. We took a shot. I believe we were looking at right around 414 sats when we posted this, and so now we're up to 551. So looking good right now. You're already in the green. You're in the green. What, 142 sats? Sweet. We had not just the falling wedge. We had the bullish divergence. We also had the RSI bullish divergence, MACD and RSI. So coinciding variables with the pattern and the oscillators. Great, man. Okay. Good to see it happen, man. So keep it rolling, dude. Keep it freaking rolling. That's it, man. Your name is Jeff. Yeah, username checks out exactly, Max. Thanks for got my back on that one, dude. What's up, Mr. Shaquille Abraham Shaquille, man. Are we going to 4,500? Well, we're going to 4,500. I would say that there are reasons to believe that we could be making a common retrace, and 4,500 would put you near that common retrace zone that we look for all the time. Okay. So maybe, but again, you've got to break this downslope resistance. You've got to break the 20 MA that we're struggling right at it right now. You got to get a little volume. Okay, you got to get these things. We're not really doing it right now. With 39 minutes left on this daily candle and 4-hour candle. All right, so. If I read a stock chart like KG, the TA says whatever, 8.6 cents, but the stock does the opposite and goes to a very new high. What does that mean? That just means that the TA was disrespected, the bearish divergence was invalidated, the wedge was invalidated, and you get stopped out, and who cares? You move on to the next trade. That's it, man. You don't get emotional about it, you don't care about it, you just forget about it. It's an OTC, man. It would be probably manipulated, but it just seemed like after a run like that, man, there's a very, very high chance that it will break and hit our target, okay? Remember, it's overall bear trend, extremely bearish overall, John. Various games, you think the pumps in December will be unpredictable and unstable? Oh, they already are unstable, man. So Shirley Lewis. Dakota Diesel says volume's dropping off. Yeah, well, yeah, man. It is. It is. Nexo. Are you talking about an OTC? Because Nexo coin, whatever that is not on TradingView, so I can't analyze it and won't analyze it. Okay, sorry. Not to be mean, just that's the way it is. Okay, spend like premium amount of money per month so I can use all these indicators, right? Of course, it looks pathetically weak. Pathetically weak, James Allen. But it looks pathetically weak on the bearish side too. All right, it just, again, you're just looking at what potentially could happen, okay? And we're using technical analysis to give reason for what could happen. So Jaybird00, we actually looked at XRP already, but you know what we can do? We can go over to that XRP to BTC chart that people have been wanting to look at constantly, right? Ooh, starting to break out the down sloping resistance, as you can see. It's all just a little bit there. Not really though. Yeah, That's pinpoint right there. Yeah, starting, beginning to break, bullishly engulfing right now, holding above the 20. Look, impulse up with the bullish engulfing. Sideways, price action. And now, another bullish engulfing, trying to break it down some resistance. Okay, that heart line right there, not easy to break, okay? This is just a measured move of some sort of bull pull bull flag, if we were so lucky. You are just in this nice uptrend right now. Look, like from the swing low to swing high, we've retraced 50% of the way, your most common retrace, and we're beginning to reverse our price action, but got a lot of adversity ahead of you. Let's see if we can break it. The measure move will be from the beginning to end of the pole on candle body closes, and that would just measure you up here around, my God, 1866, 1845, if it was to be, right? How's it been? All right, John Lyer, man. Have a good one, dude. The Overstock CEO is just pumping cryptocurrency in general, GT, MKIV. I think they were saying they'll go bankrupt before they stop believing in crypto or something like that. Yeah, I was reading a little bit about that, GT, man. Nice, man. I love how we dumped so much last night on BCH. Okay, that's what I thought, dude. You were safe. Hey, Montana, man. It's been hard to catch up. You've been cleaning up my stay with hurricane damage. Well, Montana, man, I really do appreciate that, dude. Dude, let's get a big freaking round of applause for Montana cleaning up hurricane damage, dude. And you know what? That's super selfless, man. So we're gonna do some Jesus chomps too, man. Thank you, Montana, man. Seriously, dude, thank you. To Jesus, man. I should be sponsored by TradingView. I don't think they care about Meowcash, man. I don't think they, you know, again, I think it's like, what's in it for them? I guess, you know, but it'd be cool, man. I would definitely accept a sponsorship from TradingView if they allowed it. But dude, I don't know if they again care. Like most big things don't care. The only things that would care about sponsorship for me in this channel would be like ICO scrubs, right? That's it. That's right, Carver Crypto clapping for Montana, man. Montana helping Alabama, man. That sounds awesome, dude. What's up, Robin Gomez? Good to see you, dude. Okay, so that's it, man. That's really it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make that target. So that's a tall order right there. I'll tell you, a very tall order. But hey, we've seen this craziness happen time and time again. You think it's just so far away until it happens, and you're just like, I can't. And then it exceeds it and goes higher, and you're like, oh my God, man, I can't even believe it. Right? So you just go with the TA and respect it, man. All right. Okay, let's just do a BCH round. You were warned literally last night. You were warned when we had this candle right here. You were warned. Okay? Hey, lower high, your failed rally. Expect a move down. And we sure as heck got it, didn't we? Sure as heck got it. So since the dumping though, it's okay. Some sort of wedge? It seems like you might have had a 60-minute wedge. Let me show y'all real quick for education purposes, for people that don't know about this. It's just a thing. It's just a confirmation signal, all right? If you ever have a resistance or support, and you break it bearishly or bullishly, right, depending on the context. In this situation, bullish breakout. And I think people that watched this stream last night, the day before, I did this little session to show you. Okay, there's something called a break, hook, and go. It's like 3 candles. It can be more. It can be like 5, 6 candles. But anyway, the first candle, the break, is the breakout of the resistance in this situation. We broke out. Look at the volume that came in, giving you more reliability of the breakout. The next candle, next 4-hour candle, we back tested this area as a support, and we closed above it. When we closed the candle above it, they gave confirmation to the market that this was a real breakout. But then the next candle was the golden one. That was the bullish engulfing candle of your previous candle. So a break, textbook break, hook, and go confirmation. Look what happened from there. Ran up all the way to as high as 140. Okay, 140 from a close of 103. You see what I'm saying? Break, hook, and go confirmation. Shut up $40 more after the confirmation. Things to look for in the market. Hopefully you got something out of that. If you didn't know about the break and go, hey, now you know. You are informed and educated. Awesome, dude. And you can look same thing on the bearish markets, right? You have a support, you break it, you back test, and then you bearishly engulf, right? Those are break and goes. The downside, okay. Yeah, long range crypto, yes. We need to find Bulkowski for an interview. He doesn't want to be bothered. Yeah, man, he's up on his mountain. He's like Luke Skywalker in the new movies, man, right? What's my favorite ICO? Dude, I don't know, man. I don't really have one. It's a money grab phase. This market's a money grab phase right now, okay? Everyone's just trying to get more capital. Most of the cryptos that went ICO, the VCs and everyone that was inside before it ICO'd, they all dumped on the retail investor, okay? The new market participants at a premium, and everyone else got screwed. But they made lots of money. They made tons of money. Yeah, dude, the Bulkowski interview would be the holy grail. Zachary, yes. Holy crap, man. Yeah, MaxX. Yeah, normally use 4 hours. Yes. Yeah, it's slower time scales are more significant. Their patterns are more significant. The divergence, the oscillators, indicators more significant. You go to the daily, it's even more significant. Right, the weekly, the monthly. Right. Okay. What's up, Crypto Secret Circle? Crypto Aussie, win Lambo, win cardboard box. Win cardboard box, win homeless. All right. You got me. Crazy. Oops, 5:30 my time, so that means my guy will be here soon. Okay, sorry. I was just messing with my Alexia. Okay, man. Awesome. Am I leaning more bearish or bullish on Bitcoin currently? Ish. I would say that there is a lot of technical analysis reason to believe that a retrace to the upside right now makes sense, but only to make a retrace to make a lower high than its previous major swing high, and then we dump again on high volume. Okay. So there is reason to believe the chart is telling us it's more bullish right now, high risk for shorts. So if you don't want to counter trade the trend, one would just sit on the sidelines and watch as Bitcoin retraces. Okay. What's the rush, Joel, man? Why can't charts just do charts? People, gotta wait, man. We just dropped $3,000 in 2 weeks, man. Is that not enough selling? Is it not? Like, be patient. You gotta be patient, man. That's a lot, man. That's a stupid amount of selling in a short period of time. All right, really crazy, man. Oh my god, dude. Hold on. I completely forgot about Disney, dude. Jesus. Sorry. Monthly. The monthly chart. Monthly. complete. I would call this definitely a symmetrical triangle, and definitely not a pennant. This is a triangle, a triangle that goes from July 1st of 2015. We broke out July 2nd of 2018. Okay. And here's what happened. We broke down on the weekly, down here, all the way down to 107, because we had dark cloud cover, all this bearish stuff, and then we eventually retraced. And here's what, hey, you want to see another break and go confirmation, man, on Disney? Holy crap. Look. Break. Hooked. You use the old area that was once a resistance. Using that support now, and then bullishly engulfing on the monthly time scale. Your most significant time scale, you have a break you can go on Disney. Wow. Measure move of this pattern is insane. It is quite insane. Okay. Hey Marty, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Thumb up. $34. Measure move from breakout. And of course, gosh dang it. Oh, wait, we already got it. Let's make sure. It's down just a little bit just because it's further in, right? So, is it 147? All right, there's the measure move. Augmenting that measure move. Here it is. All right, perfect. So there you go. Maybe we can see it. Break it and go. Confirmation. Hans Franzmann, das ist aber nur mal. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I've got an appointment. So I'll be back tonight, hopefully, with everything set up. So thank you so much for the 300 people who tuned in. Thank you for the contributions, the new subs, the love, everything. We're gonna be back. So until next time, respect the T.